So I think AI is coming in a healthcare in a very big way. We are already now started using AI for our patient care in a lot of departments. And I think in this, I would like to say radiology really has taken a lead, where a lot of tasks, the mundane tasks of reporting and looking at normal radiology or x-rays is being now routinely done by AI. We still have kept the second layer or a filter where the doctors would cross-check as to what AI is reporting. I am many times asked, do you see AI replacing doctors? To which I actually say that not as of now, but definitely doctors need to keep themselves updated with AI, because if they don't do that, they'll be replaced by doctors who have proficiency or knowledge in AI. So it is very important that a doctor of today knows how to use AI in healthcare and also in areas of research related to healthcare. So I think, as I said, AI in healthcare is a very, very rapidly evolving area. A lot of people do talk about AI without really knowing or understanding what it is about and how to practically use it in whichever profession they work. And here we are talking about application of AI in healthcare. So I think the students who enroll themselves in this course will clearly get a blend of the technical content or part of AI from the Bennett University, and how to then use what they have learned, the theoretical part of it, the technical part of it, in seeing that application happening in a real case environment in healthcare environment. It will be very interesting to see students coming from not only healthcare and allied healthcare environment, but even students coming from technology side and taking up this curriculum. As far as the employability is concerned, I have no doubts there is a huge scope for the students now and in future. So I think the myth is that the human touch, human interface will be lost. That's not true. I think what we are going to be teaching students is how humans work with AI together to create the best outcomes and results. So I think that's what this course is all about: theory and practical, leading to a manpower which is ready to work in a healthcare environment or even a tech environment.